Hello YouTube, this is IllyBoy723 and I'm here to ask some questions. Get the Droid X, Motorola Droid X, as you can see. I try to plug it into a charger. It doesn't turn on until I move it to a certain spot. And I got a HTC HD2, and as you can see, the things light up, but not the screen. They don't want to light up. I try to hard reset it. I can't see the screen to see if I hard reset it. I try to unbrick it. I can't find a program, and my Droid X won't turn on, so there's no way I can look up how to. There's no way I can unbrick it. So I'm just wondering, if there's any chance, if there's the battery or the phone's fucked up. The phone's never been wet. The battery's never been wet. Never dropped the phone before, and neither is the HTC. The battery's good. It's never been wet. It just the LCD screen won't turn on. So I'm asking you guys if there's any suggestions to help me. The phone I'm using right now is just the LG 3D, and the screen's a little bit cracked and shit, but it's whatever. It's yellow. It turns on and shit. The phone's rooted also. The HTC's not rooted. So I'm just asking YouTube if there's any suggestions for me to fix both of those phones. Please comment of any ideas if you guys got any, or any programs I should try for the Droid X or the HTC HD2. And my Droid X, I'm running a new software version of it. I don't know that shit, whatever. The HTC, I don't know. I didn't really check. It's never been rooted. It just one day the screen didn't want to work. So sign off YouTube, and please like, rate, comment, and subscribe to me. Peace out.